How Shopify POS works on Android tablets. Shopify is an online platform that helps store owners manage their entire business with ease. It has quickly become the go-to solution for many businesses, and now it's available on Android tablets. But how does Shopify Point of Sale work on Android tablets? Let's take a closer look at the features and functions. Use the link below to speak to an expert about moving to Shopify POS. The basics of Shopify POS for Android. Shopify Point of Sale for Android tablets offers store owners a simple way to manage their business from anywhere. It allows store owners to accept payments, process orders, manage inventory, and more, all from their Android tablet. The interface is intuitive and easy to use, allowing store owners to get up and running quickly without having to learn new software or hardware. Shopify POS features. When you use Shopify POS for Android, you get access to a variety of features that make managing your business easier than ever before. Some of these features include the following: inventory management. Easily track your inventory levels in real time so you never run out of stock. You can also set reorder points so you always have enough items in stock when customers need them. Payment processing. Accept a variety of payment types, including credit cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Plus, get access to integrated payment solutions like Stripe Checkout and Square that make it easy to accept payments on the go. Customer relationship management. Use Shopify's built-in CRM system to keep track of customer information such as purchase history, contact info, loyalty rewards program status, and more. This makes it easy to provide personalized customer service based on what each customer wants or needs from your business. Shopify Point of Sale for Android tablets is an excellent solution for store owners who want an easy way to manage their business from anywhere. With its intuitive design and powerful features like payment processing, inventory management, and CRM integration, it's no wonder why many businesses are turning to Shopify for their point of sale needs. If you own a small business or are looking for an easy way to start accepting payments from customers at events or pop-up shops, then consider giving Shopify POS for Android a try today. Click the link below to speak with an expert about Shopify POS.